The Nikon Z90 is generating significant buzz in the photography community as a potential flagship APS-C mirrorless camera. While official details are yet to be confirmed, various rumors and leaks suggest a range of impressive features and specifications. Here's an in-depth look at what we can expect from the Nikon Z90. Sensor and image quality. Sensor, rumored to feature a 33.4 megapixel DX format CMOS sensor. The Z90 aims to deliver high-resolution images suitable for professional use. Image processor. Equipped with the APS-C image processor, it is expected to offer enhanced performance, including faster processing speeds and improved noise reduction. Video capabilities. 4K video. The Z90 is anticipated to support UHD 4K video recording at 60 frames per second, providing smooth and detailed footage. Slow motion. Full HD recording at up to 180 frames per second is rumored, allowing for high-quality slow-motion video capture. Autofocus and shooting performance. Autofocus system. The camera is expected to feature advanced autofocus capabilities, including AI-driven subject detection and tracking, as well as 3D AF and 9 subject recognition, enhancing focus accuracy on various subjects. Continuous shooting. A continuous shooting speed of 15 frames per second with a mechanical shutter is anticipated, making it suitable for capturing fast-moving subjects. Build and design. Image stabilization. In-body 5-axis image stabilization, IBIS, is rumored, potentially offering up to 6 stops of stabilization, which would be beneficial for handheld shooting in low-light conditions. Viewfinder and display. The Z90 may include a high-resolution OLED electronic viewfinder and a 3.2-inch tilting touchscreen LCD, providing flexibility in composing shots from various angles. Dual card slots. Expected to feature dual UHS-2 SD card slots, offering fast write speeds and redundancy options for professional workflows. Connectivity. Wireless options. The camera is anticipated to support 5 GHz Wi-Fi and Bluetooth connectivity, facilitating quick and easy transfer of images and remote camera control via compatible devices. Pricing and availability. Price range. Speculation suggests that the Nikon Z90 will be priced between $1,500 and $2,000, positioning it competitively against rivals like the Canon EOS R7. Release date. While no official release date has been announced, reports indicate that Nikon is testing Z-mount APS-C prototypes, hinting at a possible launch in 2025. The Nikon Z90 is shaping up to be a formidable contender in the APS-C mirrorless camera market, offering a blend of high-resolution imaging, advanced autofocus, robust video capabilities, and professional-grade features. Its anticipated specifications suggest that it will cater to the needs of sports, wildlife, and action photographers, as well as content creators seeking a versatile and powerful camera. Conclusion. If Nikon delivers on these Z90 rumors, especially the 33MP sensor, IBIS, fast burst, and dual card slots, it could become the go-to APS-C mirrorless for serious photographers who don't want or need a full-frame body. The Z73 also signals Nikon's intent to push hard into the hybrid space, appealing to both pro stills and video users. Like, share, subscribe.